One of the world's most populous countries, China, has seen its population drop for the first time in more than 6 decades. The news comes along with weak growth in the country's GDP. Yeon-seung fills you in.
China's population has fallen for the first time in 61 years. The population shrank by about 850,000 from the previous year, according to China's National Bureau of Statistics on Tuesday. And in 2022, the birth rate dropped to a record low, fewer than 7 births per 1,000, the lowest since the founding of the People's Republic of China in 1949. China has also been seeing a shriveling working-age population. The number of people aged 16 to 59 has fallen by 50 million in just over a decade, going from a peak of 925 million in 2011 to just below 876 million in 2022. Authorities for years have been concerned about how the shrinking labor force will strain the Chinese economy, prompting policymakers to scrap the notorious one-child policy back in 2016. But it seems that move wasn't enough to turn around China's falling population. This news comes amid China's recent economic slump. China's GDP grew by 3% in 2022. It's the second weakest growth since 1976, only slightly better than the 2.4% growth seen in 2020, the first year of the pandemic. Forecasters expect growth to bounce back to a moderate 5% this year, but there are some hurdles like slowing exports that could stop China from building momentum.
The foundation for the domestic economy to recover is not solid enough, and there are still quite a lot of challenges for the production and operation of companies.
The world's factory and second biggest economic powerhouse, China, is struggling to get its economy moving. Yeon-seung, Arirang News.